If you guys ever want to find out where something is in your electrical box, this is how you do it. First thing we're going to use is these two tools. If we don't know where something is in our electrical box, we'll use this as well as this, okay? First thing we'll do is we'll stick this inside of the outlet. Just like this, it'll light up, okay? And then we're gonna go downstairs. All right, the next thing is, so basically all of these are on, so you wanna make sure that this is on. Hold that button there, turn it on, and then you just slide it down. It's not that one, it's definitely this one. So we're gonna cut this one off. Now let's go see if it turned the power off. And as you can see, it's off. If you wanna check the other outlets, pull this out. Okay, and you plug it in here. If it has power, it will cut on, right? And we'll check it in over here. But we know that this one's not powered, and I know that this one's not powered personally, but we'll check it just to be safe. And for the video, it's off as well. Okay, now if we think that this is broken, right, then we want to walk all the way out here into another space and plug it into a different section. You see that it's still working, and it still has power. That's how you use the Klein Tools.